Hi guys, and welcome back. We're looking at the DAX 40 hourly chart, and at present it's trying to close above its support level, which is acting as a resistance since DAX is kind of below it. It wants to get above the 280 support level, and once it successfully closes the hourly candle above this support level, we can expect it to go towards the 400. 14,400 is your first resistance. And if it crosses that successfully today, we're looking at 14,550 as its final resistance. So the range being 280 to 550, with 400 being a significant resistance today. So let's see how that plays out. As you can see in the chart, it has been stuck under 250 resistance and has not been able to climb above that yesterday. While today it successfully closed above the resistance and it's trying to close above this crucial support line of 280. So good luck, guys. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.